What's up, guys? My name is Abel Wealth. Welcome to my channel. I know you're excited to become a YouTuber, so I'm going to show you in this video how to create a new YouTube channel from the scratch. So I don't want to talk too much. Let's head over to my screen and get started. Head over to Google and search for Gmail. Then create a Gmail account. Before we go any further, for you to be able to have a YouTube channel or create a new YouTube channel, you must first have a Gmail account. So if you have a Gmail account, then go ahead and just sign in. You can go ahead and sign in here, but if you don't have, you can go ahead and create a new channel, which is what I'm going to show you real fast. So head over here and say where they say create an account and click on it. So go ahead with this. So I'm going to put the first. Once you're here, you click on create an account. Then you have an option of either creating for your personal use or creating it for your business or for your child. So let me explain this very fast. For personal use, if you want your YouTube channel to be accessible only to you, you want to be the one managing it by yourself, you want to make it a personal channel, you don't want any other person to have an access to it, then you can just go with this for my personal use. But if you want other people, maybe like if you have colleagues, if you have people that help you out too, and you want them to have access to your channel to post videos and do things for you, then you can just go create for work or business. So I'm just going to stick with this one, work or business. Okay, let's go with Pinky. Enterprise. Let's choose anything randomly because it's a dummy mail. And let's stick with female. Okay, so it has suggested a Gmail for us. It said enterprisepinky@gmail.com. Let's just go with this first one. Click on next. So it has asked for a password. I'm just going to put a simple password. Phone number. So it asks me, so it sends a verification code to my account, which I'm going to enter here. 7, 8, 6. So I hit on next. So it's asking for a recovery account. So I'm just going to put all these measures are necessary so that you can recover your mail at any time. So I'm going to put recovery mail as my own email. Or I can just skip this part. If you want, you can skip it. If you want to add, you can still add it too. So click on next. Then we'll agree to all these terms. And we'll hit on continue. So now that we've created a Gmail account, let's head over to YouTube and create a channel. So you go to search, Google search, and search for YouTube. Once you are on YouTube, you head over to where it says sign in and go ahead and sign in. So I'm now signed into YouTube. To know that you've signed into YouTube, you head over to this place and this icon and click on it. You can see that the email address I just created now, Pinky Enterprise Pinky at Gmail, has been signed in. So what we want to do is we'll go ahead and create a channel here on YouTube. Click on create a channel. So it has selected the default name for our email as our YouTube name. You can change your own if you want to at this point. So I'm going to leave this as it is. Then you can upload, if you have a logo, you have a picture, you can upload it here. But in my case, I will not. I will just go ahead and click on create the channel. So you can see that I now have a YouTube channel. I can decide to add videos, manage videos, customize my channel, but I'm not going to do all that in this video. This is just to show you how to create your YouTube channel. So in subsequent videos, I'm going to show you how to upload a video, how to customize your channel and do things like that. I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful to you, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.